Hey everybody, it's Michael, and here we are in the beautiful city streets of Bodrum. I think this is one of the most beautiful cities I've been to, and I keep saying that every city I go to, but I think I mean it this time. And today, we're gonna go explore Bodrum Castle. The other name for it is the Castle of St. Peter. So that is where we're headed now, but in the meantime, we're going to walk through the city and see what we can see in the city of Bodrum. If you know me, you know I can't resist the strawberries. That was so good. It was like a strawberry shortcake, and that was like the first thing I ate for the day. So that probably wasn't the best idea, but here we are in Bodrum Castle. Castle was actually built with some of the leftover materials from the Mausoleum at Halicarnassus, which is one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. What an absolutely amazing view from the top of the castle here. This is so beautiful. You could see like right down to the bottom of the water. This was actually built by the Knights of St. John in the beginning of the 15th century. In 1985, it was actually turned into a prison until it was captured by the Italians in World War II. Is actually famous for having a large number of underwater artifacts that they found right off the coast here. burial urns that date back to the 7th century BC. this little room in here is from a burial site in the Bronze Age. That was 3,200 to 1800 BC. I thought that was a person just staring at me right when I walked in. There's peacocks in the restroom. Restaurant that I'm at right now is so beautiful. Unfortunately, I can't eat inside though, but I'm able to sit inside while I wait. But this is the little outside deck that they have here. I can imagine when before COVID this place was completely packed all the time because they have views like this. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. We got to explore Bodrum. Honestly, I think one of the most beautiful cities that I've visited. And then we also got to explore Bodrum Castle, and that was amazing. That was one of my favorite castles that I've ever visited. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you like the video. It lets YouTube know that this video is worth recommending. Alright, and thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.